Beyond the horizon lies the unknown,
where a sea of opportunity awaits.
This is where we act to harness the potential of the world's offshore energy resources. At the start of any project, we act to turn data into insight, delivering a complete understanding of the marine environment so that every decision is safe.
Opportunity is never rushed. It's realized through creativity, reliability, and partnership. From concept to construction, we act with care and precision to help fast-track your offshore ambitions. We engineer complex offshore challenges into valuable outcomes.
In the world's harshest environments, performance relies on engineering expertise. We act on confidence through real-time monitoring and actionable insights to ensure the integrity of assets from seabed to surface.
And when the time comes to look ahead, we act on responsibility. Developing tailored life extension and decommissioning plans to extend value and retire assets responsibly.
And everything we do is underpinned by our engineering expertise. We combine unrivaled domain knowledge with leading-edge technology to help you stay ahead, drive efficiencies, and ensure rigor from design to decommissioning.
At Acteon, we act.
Act on insight.
Act on opportunity.
Act on confidence.
Act on responsibility.
Act on energy.